Do you want those highly paid speaking opportunities? Do you want those speaking opportunities to give you positioning, authority, to be the go-to expert, to be the go-to brand, service? Are you frustrated and tired of not understanding how to land those speaking gigs? Here's the thing, it's not a secret. There isn't some secret formula that if you do, you will get. It's a very simple formula. It's a very simple process that if you commit to it, you will get speaking opportunities, you will get paid, and a lot of times you will get paid handsomely. If you're willing to commit to the process, if you're willing to do whatever it takes to get there, then join my 5-day challenge, where I will show you exactly how to do that. How do you get booked? How do you get paid? Over the 5 days, I will give you the inside secrets that will allow you to stand out in your industry, which will allow you to get paid and understand exactly where you might be going wrong in terms of you not getting paid, in terms of you not being the go-to person, and therefore being able to correct that and be able to win the business, the opportunity, the expertise positioning that you want, therefore getting you highly paid. Join the challenge, and I will show you exactly how to do it. Join us now. Click on the button and join us for the 5-day Get Booked, Get Paid challenge.